Hey everyone, it's Ranita here. Thank you so much for taking the time to come and watch my video today. If you're new, welcome. Remember to hit the subscribe button and to turn your notification buttons on. I was so inspired by last week's video that I decided to do another Indian inspired look. If you've liked my videos or my previous videos, remember that you can always share this with your family and friends. I really appreciate all the love and support that I'm getting from my followers. I've decided to incorporate something new into my videos. If you comment below, I will be mentioning you in my video with the comment that you put out. So I just want to say thank you to Shaina today because she has been someone who's been supporting me for a very long time, especially whenever I put up my makeup videos. So thank you so much, Shaina, for all the encouragement. It's really made a big difference. And now let's learn how to make this look. Today I'm going to be starting with my colored Raine palette. I'm going in with Unbothered, which is a brown. So I'm taking that brown and I'm going to be putting it in the crease of my eyes, just here. And as you can see, the color is very pigmented. All this pigment was just with one stroke of my brush, so I would say that this is extremely pigmented. It is very exciting to be using such a good quality palette. I'm very impressed. And now I'm going to just do the same with my other eye. Today's look is going to be more neutral in comparison to the other looks that I've done, but I did want to try something more neutral, so let's see how this turns out. And yeah, this is going to be the first color. As you can see, it's a kind of reddish brown, and I'm not very focused on getting this too neat because I will be blending it out later. So I'm just gonna have a basic outline for myself. So now with plenty of space, I'm going in with Lemon Drop, which is a very beautiful yellow. I'm just going to put that on top of this, and I'm just going to be blending these two colors. So I will be blending as I go up towards the top, make that more yellow. As you can see, this is also a very pretty color. Going in with my cut crease, which I'm going to be doing right here. So it's important to not rush the cut crease process because if you do, you probably won't get equal cut creases. Now I'm taking my big brush and I'm going in with 24K from the BH Cosmetics palette Aurora Lights, and I'm going to be putting that here. So the reason why I'm applying this color to the entire eyelid is because I'm going to be going over this with a glitter eyeshadow just to make it pop a bit more after this. And I'm also going to be adding in some black to make this look more dramatic. So I'm just taking Chad and I'm just kind of cutting out my cut crease, using it to define the shape a bit more. So the reason I'm doing my eyeliner first is because I know that when I apply the glitter, it becomes very difficult to apply eyeliner. So I'm going to be doing this first today, and then I will go back in with a tiny bit of glitter over here in the center, and then I will probably retrace my steps again after I've applied the glitter just to make it a bit easier. So now that I've kind of cleaned up my eyes a bit, I'm going to take my glitter glue and I'm just going to apply a bit of that to the center of my eyes, where I will be applying the glitter. I will be doing one eye at a time so that I don't rush myself. I'm taking a very bright yellow because it matches my outfit. I hope you can see how bright that yellow is. It's a very, very beautiful, pretty color. And I'm doing this because I wanted it to pop, so I wanted a very bright color. I'm not doing this for the whole eye though. So when working with glitter, you need to be very careful. You need to take your time with it. gonna take my brush and tap the glitter back onto the area that I applied the glue in. So sometimes some of the glitters that you get from makeup palettes are a lot easier to work with, but the particular brand that I'm using right now is Cara Beauty, and I do find it slightly difficult to work with the glitters from here. They don't always attach to the glue as well as I would like, so I have to work fast. It's also not very easy to get glitter to do what you want, but it can definitely make a look a lot more dramatic, which is why I like using it for very, very special occasions. I'm going to be going back in to just clean the eye up a bit, because as you can probably see, it's kind of gotten rid of some of my shading over here. I think before I remove that, I'm just gonna So as you probably know, with all of my looks, I really like that pop of color. So I'm gonna be adding a very, very bright green underneath. So now I'll be going on to the foundation and concealer, and you'll see what the final look is like. So that's it for the video. As usual, remember that it's very important to prepare your skin. Always remember to cleanse, tone, and moisturize. This makes a huge difference, especially when you are applying makeup, because it protects your skin so that the next time you apply makeup, your skin is in good condition. I have something very special for all of my subscribers because I have now gotten more than 40 and I'm so excited. As all of you know, Black Friday is just around the corner and Christmas is also not too far away. So I have decided to do a giveaway, and this giveaway will allow one lucky person to add some drama to their lives. So yes, that is your clue as to what you're going to be getting. So I'll see you for that video, and thank you once again for giving me all your support and for watching this video.